Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have so much news to get into, so be sure to like the video and watch until the end. Now, for Shiba Inu holders, we're having a lot of holders. A lot of them want a new burn, a lot of them want utility, and most of us, let's be honest here, we want to get rich. And that's what I'm going to be talking about today, getting rich, how to be a millionaire, and everything else about Shiba, every single news that's going to affect the Shiba Inu markets in the following days. So hopefully you're all doing fantastic, either if you're holding SHIB to live on a yacht, or either if you're holding SHIB to pay for your daughter's tuition or whatever. Let's talk about this. Right now, there's a lot of holders. There's already so many people that are rich. Even those who invested very early into it already hold millions. Look at this. You know, the top 50 holders are holding 4 million worth of SHIB so far. And that's a lot of money. Look, there's even millionaires over here that are not talked about, but these wallets are basically buying in as they're holding a large supply. So I'm just gonna pick a random wallet and see, like, this guy is holding 2 million, so 0.02 supply of Shiba Inu, and about 655,000 holders and more increasing. You know, it's simply crazy. Oh, look at this. You know, they're simply buying in. They're buying in from everywhere, and you know, every single minute more and more cash is coming in, and that's simply crazy to me. How much is coming in? Like, this is something that nobody's discussing, like how big these wallets are, why is so much money influxing in here. But seems like the new exchanges have helped drastically, as this simple wallet is getting huge amounts of crypto in, and that is definitely exciting to see. Hopefully we can see a lot more of that. But this wallet, if we check over to here, you know, it has 200 million worth of Shiba Inu coins. Now that is something else. Now that is something next level. But you have to consider he also has 600,000 worth of Ethereum. So why is this wallet so bullish on Shiba? Well, let's look at when he bought it. You know, you can see over here that he just bought more and more SHIB over time through multiple exchanges. And I do think these whales know something that we don't. So that is something else. You know, that's something to consider. How much money? Imagine if you had 26 trillion sitting on your wallet. You woke up this morning and you had $200 million in your Shiba Inu wallet. Now that is awesome to see. I definitely do hope, and I really do like, you know, seeing these big whales. Hopefully they're enjoying the best of their life, but hopefully we can at least reach 1 million of that, maybe 100,000. A lot of people, 100,000 can change their life, and in crypto, 100,000 is not that much. It's not that much as people expect it to be. So here's what happened with Coinbase SHIB listing. You can get 100,000 pretty much fast, and with Coinbase, listed on Shiba Inu, with Coinbase listing SHIB, like, this is huge. Like, we have all the analytics over here. Nobody talks about this, but basically Coinbase simply exploded. That's it. And why didn't Binance jump in the price? Arbitrage is not possible because Binance only allowed SHIB withdrawals on the BCC network. So you need a BCC wallet to transfer the coins to, which Coinbase does not support. And this is really exciting to see. Like, a lot of volume coming in is a really good sign that Shiba Inu will explode. But as Bitcoin debuts in El Salvador, Honduras, and Guatemala study CBDCs, which is basically their own cryptocurrencies, or basically stable coins. Now, Georgia on my mind, Bitmain brings 56k Bitcoin miners to the state, and seems like USA, and because 50% of my watchers are basically USA holders, the 62 million deal is expected to generate 10 million in monthly revenue for ICW holdings. And they bring in 56k Bitcoin miners to the state. Like, that is awesome. Bitmain expanding fast, and it seems like US is becoming the new crypto hub. Now, ICW holdings have already parted with a 6 million towards the purchase of Bitcoins and miners, says 19J. Looking ahead, our hosting service revenues will be stable and substantial and capable of strong growth, and our mining revenues will fluctuate with prices in the cryptocurrency space. The increase in hash rate is like a combination of the previously obsolete hardware filing a second lease on life. And Play to Earn Gold Rush as Crypto Gaming Guild and ZBD raise millions from VC. It's only a matter of time before we see other companies and are working with SHIB to make our own Shiba Inu crypto virtual game. Now, Play to Earn is booming with startups Crypto Gaming United and CBD closing fund rounds of 5 million and 11.5 million respectively. Now, Crypto Gaming United, a startup aiming to build a global community of non-fungible token-focused play-to-earn gamers, has raised 5 million in oversubscribed seed funding round. Like, all of these games are growing really, really fast, and I think it's going to be growing a lot more. But Crypto Native Gaming has already seen explosive growth this year, with Axie Infinity's user base growing from 30,000 in April to more than 1 million last month. So yeah, Axie Infinity growing fast. But a Philippine play-to-earn gaming collective offering Axie sponsorships also raised 11 million via idle in just minutes during July. So this basically means that we are going to be seeing a lot of people coming in from a lot of countries, especially Asian countries, possibly paying and playing a Shiba Inu game and living off it when it comes. I definitely do hope a work is in the project. A lot of Shiba Inu games are out there. It's just a matter of time which one gets released first. But let's talk about this. Robinhood has more news, more teases. Doge cost averaging. Robinhood rolls out fee-free recurring crypto buy feature. And that is really awesome. Retail crypto traders on Robinhood can now set up commission-free recurring investments in multiple crypto assets on daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. So they can buy back. And this will, when they buy on Robinhood, this will in fact increase the prices for SHIB, for coin, for when it gets listed, for Dogecoin, for all of these big coins that are listed on Robinhood, you know, because people are going to be buying back crypto. They're going to be buying more Bitcoin. They're going to be buying more Ethereum each single month, you know, with linking in their credit cards. And that's really exciting to see, you know, crypto getting a huge boost off that, Robinhood profiting off that. But Cointelegraph research is Solana and Ethereum clearer with significantly lower transaction cost and faster transaction speed. Could Solana be the most dreaded Ethereum killer? And, you know, Solana is basically a huge growth right now. Is it going to, you know, it definitely defeated Shiba Inu. But comparing it to Ethereum, right now, Ethereum is going to have to compete with Solana in the long run. Solana's design architecture allows it to keep it in place as theoretically mode to scale with Moore's law. This means that as computers become faster over time, so will Solana. Essentially, Solana is future-proofing itself through its scaling capabilities. So Solana is definitely something next level, and we are also getting the L2 Shibarium blockchain, which could be a competitor to Solana on a much smaller scale, actually, but it could be out there, you know, on the market. Shiba Inu doesn't have to be the biggest, you know, in the fight against Solana versus Ethereum, but it seems like Solana is growing at such a fast pace, you know, going from 10 cents to $400. It's simply crazy to me how fast it has been growing. But Solana rally mimicking Ethereum, while a 500 Solana price target could be conservative, and the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap remains one of the best performers despite the overall crypto market losing more than 200 billion. So, you know, all of these cryptocurrencies dropping, but Solana growing definitely tells me that there's going to be a lot of altcoin season for cryptocurrencies, basically. But Solana's growth runs appears to be mimicking that of Ethereum and Binance Coin, and the $500 projection may turn out conservative for the coin. Now, Russian Duma wants to regulate crypto mining as a business. Russia is moving to regulate crypto mining after legitimizing the broader crypto industry in January. So this is both bad news, but this bad news is not affecting the prices, so we should be all good. We still need to discuss what digital currency actually is, although we call it the currency. It's rather used as a financial instrument. So Afterpay absolutely keen to explore crypto services after regulation clarified, and you know, regulation is going to be clarifying soon. Afterpay spoke as part of the Senate inquiry, and Afterpay is also going to be coming in. With that being said, Bitcoin price in line for impulsive bounce as Solana leads altcoin surge. Like Solana is growing so fast. Hopefully we can see Shiba Inu going up as well. But Solana is also doing something not a lot of people consider, and that is making a huge price rally for all of these altcoins. Now, that is something else, but OpenSea bug appears to have destroyed nearly $100,000 in NFTs. As a result of the system bug, a total of 42 NFTs were burned in the course of 30 transactions. And what this basically means is how will this affect the Shiba Inu as incubator, the NFT incubator, that we shall see, but it should be completely safe. It's just a small error that, you know, someone noticed, and simply crazy. It was sent to the dead wallet. And until next time, you know, insiders sold MicroStrategy stock after Bitcoin's bull run, and really, you know, a lot of things that are happening in crypto today. So we're going to be talking more about this later on. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, we are seeing huge crypto growth. Peace, everyone.